gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found my channel. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs and all kinds of other fun stuff. So if you like this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Alright guys, in today's video, I have for you my September Ipsy and Boxycharm beauty boxes. Now normally I don't like to combine companies and do more than one company in the same video, but since Boxycharm and Ipsy are owned by the same company, I figured it was okay. So without further ado, let's see what I got in these things. Okay guys, so, woo! Here's Ipsy. That's what we're going to start with. It comes in this little bubble wrapped bag with our logo on it. Ooh, the bag is awesome this month. Ah, we got something outside the bag. Let's go ahead and start with that. We have Clarifying Scalp Scrub. I guess it's by Natural Lab. Okay. Anyways, here it is, guys. I don't know. I had a scalp scrub that I got in one of my other beauty boxes. I'm not really sure if it was Ipsy or another one. I wasn't a huge fan of it, so, you know, whatever. I might use it, I might not. Oh, let me show you the bag. Woo! I was just opening it up. Look how cute it is. It matches what I have on today. I'm just saying, if I was going somewhere, you guys know me, I'm cheap. Like I said in another video, I could take my little glam bag with my stuff in it. You know, awesome. It matches this outfit perfectly. I think it is super cute. So, ooh, the inside's yellow. Look at that. Sneak peek of the goodies. I love this bag. This is super fun. Very fall. All right, let's go ahead and grab this out. So this has all of the information on the stuff that's in the bag. We'll start with that scalp scrub. That is a deluxe sample. The deluxe sample is 1 ounce, okay? And the full-size version is 8.1 ounces for $17. So, I mean, it's not bad if you like it, but it's just not my thing. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. We have Origins Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willow Herb. Wonder what the willow herb is, guys. So there's that one. Not super excited about it. Looks super small. 15 milliliters is what this sample size is. I sure hope it's a sample. It is a deluxe sample. You never know with these companies. They'll give you something like this and say, oh, $500. All right. Anyways, this is a deluxe sample. The full size version is 50 milliliters for $38. That's not too bad. Yeah, I'm not super excited about it, but you know, I'll probably use it, I guess. I don't know. Ooh, Grace and Stella, spray all day. It's a hydrating facial spray. Here it is, guys. I got one of these and another one, and I was contemplating whether or not I was going to use that one, and I don't think I'm going to. So I may not use this one either, but let's take a look at it here. Grace and Stella Spray All Day Spray. This is a deluxe sample, and this is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. And the full-size version is 240 milliliters for $24. Guys, that's what I love about this brand. This brand makes good products at reasonable prices. I think that is awesome. I really love this brand, the things that I've tried thus far. So maybe I will try that. We'll have to see. Okay, couple more things in here, guys. Oh, they're both super small, like microscopic almost. Okay, so we have Sugar Rush Lash Smoothie. The heck's a lash smoothie? I don't know. Here it is. What is a lash smoothie, guys? Is it just flat out mascara? Do I have to open this to find out? You know what? I need new mascara anyways, because the one that I'm using is Dunzo. Yeah, it's just mascara. Okay, so that's what a lash smoothie is. Awesome. Okay, let's take a look at it, guys. I'm hoping this is a deluxe sample because it's really super small. Where is it? Oh, this is Tarte. Oh, this is a Tarte product. Well, it doesn't say Tarte on it. Anyways, it's a Tarte product. It's called Sugar Rush Lash Smoothie. It's a volumizing hemp mascara. This is the deluxe sample, and it is how much? How much do I get in this? 2 milliliters. So this is 2 milliliters. The full-size version is 9 milliliters for $23. Okay, we'll see. I need to try a new mascara. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Okay, so then we have Some Institute eye cream. Oh, I need an eye cream. Is that Som or Sommi? I don't know. Here, you guys tell me. I have no idea what it is. But there it is. This also looks like a sample, so it looks like I did not get a full-size product in this bag, which normally you get at least one, but I guess I didn't this month. I sure have this is, yeah, it's not full size. Okay, so this is 0.25 ounces or 7 milliliters, and the full size version is 0.5 ounces for $79. Again, this stuff better be amazing. I got something in one of these other bags and I was like, dude, I better look like I'm 18 years old. And that's how I feel. If you're going to charge this much for stuff, then I want to look super young. So if I don't look super young, then I'm not going to buy your product. I mean, I'll use the rest of it. You gave it to me, you know, in my bag here, but I'm not going to buy the product. Okay, guys, so that's it. I got 5 deluxe samples. That's kind of unusual for Ipsy. Still a good deal. I still got really good products. Maybe it's because they put better products in here and that's why they were all deluxe samples and you did not get a full-size product this time. But this one's only $12 a month, guys. Totally worth it. I love my Ipsy Glam bags. I think they are super fun. They also make great ideas for putting gifts into for the holiday season, which we're fast approaching. I will hopefully have some really nice ideas for you guys for gift giving as well as crafts and all this other fun stuff that I have planned. Fingers crossed I can get it all done. All right, guys. That's it for the Ipsy Glam bag. Now let's jump into what I got in my Boxycharm base box. Okay, guys, so here's my box. You know, it's a little bit thicker than it has been in the past couple ones that I got. They were smaller and not as thick. So it's got me wondering what the heck is in this thing. Because, guys, I actually think I might have remembered to do the choice, which is rare for me, but I never look or anything like that. Ooh, baby, we got some Glam Glow Youth Mud. I am down for the Youth Mud. Hopefully it works. All right, since I just showed that to you, they do have, it says BTS is apparently the theme. I love the look of this one. That is super fun. Casey from Casey Has Opinions and Terrible Video Skills challenged me to use one of these cards in a DIY. I still have the card, guys, and I'm actually going to be working on a DIY very soon for the cards. I think I'm going to use this one in one too. It's pretty cool. All right, way off topic. Let's go ahead and start with the Glam Glow Youth Mud. It's a glow stimulating treatment. Awesome. I am super excited to give this a go. You know, I might just open it. Why not? I'm kind of curious, guys, because Glam Glow is a good brand. A lot of people like their peel-off mask, I think. I've never tried one of theirs because, you know, I'm a Freeman person. But doesn't mean that theirs is not good. What does this say? Hello, sexy. That is some great packaging. Well, they go the extra mile in their packaging. Give them props for that. Ooh, baby. Okay. Did you see how big this box was? Look how big this box is. Okay, just look at the box. Now let's look at what was inside. Something wrong here. I am a sustainable crafter, folks. And that's not very sustainable. Okay, just saying. Whatever. All right, Glam Glow. So they gave me, how much is in here? 1.7 ounces or 50 grams. Let's take a look. I'm sure this will be expensive. This is $60. Okay, so that is the value of this product here. I am going to go ahead and open it, guys, because I'm going to be using it soon. They do have it sealed up really good and all of that fun stuff. But like I just told you, I'm going to use it very soon. Ooh. Hello. Well, hello. Oh, it smells good. Looks kind of funky, but it smells really good. It looks kind of like Oreo cookie crumbles in there or something like that. I don't know, guys. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. I really don't know what to expect with this, but I am really excited to give it a try. Okay, so there was the first product. That might have been the best product in the box. I really don't know, but that's why the box was so thick. That's one reason. Okay, Pump Your Bass, 2 multi-use makeup sticks by Pinky Rose Cosmetics. Okay, that's really cute. Look at their packaging. It's like a little boom box. That's pretty cute, right? Then they have hip hop and jazz on one side. That's super cute, guys. I mean, I'm digging it. All right. Let's pop her open. What are you talking about? Multi-use sticks. Multi-use for what? Okay, this is jazz. Jazz is the darker color here. Let's pop it open. Ooh. Yes, it does. Here you go. Can you guys see that? I sure hope so. I can never tell until I do it back. Whoa, baby. That is fun. Ooh, I have an orange. Can you guys see that on my skin? I'm not really sure if you can. But I have an orange color collab thingamabobber coming up really soon. That's orange. I could probably use that in that video, and I just might do that. So this here is like a lighter one, and this is what they're calling hip hop. So I would have done that in reverse. I would have done the jazz in the lighter color and the hip hop in the other, but you know, whatever. Here's what it looks like inside the little thingy. I'm gonna go ahead. Whoa, baby! That is bold, man. They aren't kidding. All right, so what are you supposed to use this stuff for? Is it like supposed to be a contour or some kind of stuff? I really don't know. I'll be honest with you. I have no idea. Let's see here. Pinky Rose Cosmetics multi-use makeup sticks. A cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as an eyeshadow. That's what I was thinking. Or primer to your eyeshadow. Okay. Can also be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. Oh, you can use this on your lips? Well, that's pretty cool. I don't know that I have a really good orange lipstick. So one of these will probably be in that upcoming video. Just saying. Okay, so you got 2 of those in the little package there. And the value for this is $20. Guys, they are really good though. I mean, this is it's really good. All right, I'm just saying. All right, no, we're not going to waste any more time on it. Let's move on to the next thing. Georgette Klinger. Did I do that or was that like that? No, it was like that. Okay, cool. I guess. Marula Primer for all skin types. All right, look at that. Okay. Well, that's good. I have a lot of primers right now, and I have one that I already have opened, so I'm not going to open this one. But you get 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 milliliters. And let's see, where we at? We're at Georgette. There you are. $32 is the value for this product. Okay, not bad, right? All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Hashtag give them Lala Beauty. Alrighty dighty. I think this might be my choice item. If I get a choice and there's a mascara, I usually pick the mascara almost every single time. I only have found one mascara that I really like and I would buy again, and that's the Ico mascara. It comes in a little blue container. Oh, it's like a marbly situation. Okay. And then it's just white. Very simple. It's a very simple packaging, but elegant, I guess. Kind of would like to see the marble all the way down. I'm just saying. Ooh. Okay. I don't know about that wand, but, we're going to find out. The only reason why I'm opening this, guys, because I am going to go ahead and try this one. I opened my Ipsy one as well, but that one was super small, so I'll probably blow through that one pretty quick. Nonetheless, I do need to start using other mascaras. I have other ones to try, but it's just hard for me to find one that I actually like. I'm just saying. All right. So let's take a look. Do they give you ounces? It doesn't matter really. Okay, 0.35 ounces or 10 grams. Let's see here, guys. Give them Lala Beauty mascara. The value for the product is $20. So, whatever. Okay, so this is the last thing in here. Best Friends Forever in Bloom Duo Fiber Brush Set. Oh, they're brushes. Half-caked brushes. Look at that. Their packaging's pretty cute, huh? Very Pac-Man-y with the donut there. I'm just saying. Remind me of Pac-Man, not a donut. Okay. It's, sealed, which is awesome. And it does say it's babe tested and vegan approved. That's cute. Did they seal the bottom? They did. They sealed both. Well, good for them. Usually, a lot of places will seal the top and not the bottom, but, whatever. I am taking up way too much time here. Is that what you get? I thought it was a brush set. I mean, we got a brush, and then we got this. I guess it's a set, but it's like not a set of brushes, which is what I was thinking. Okay, whatever. I love that it's purple. That's awesome. So let's open this up here and see what's happening here. Freshly squeezed. Freshly squeezed what? Oh, it looks like it's blush. It's got a mirror on it. I think it's blush, right? Would you guys say that is a blush? I would say it is. And I would say I would probably definitely use that. So we'll just do it's a nice color. It's not bad. It's right there. I mean, the color's not bad at all. Obviously I'll use it. I just stuck my finger in it. Okay, so, yeah, I guess you would use this brush to, apply that. Ugh. I don't like the brush. I don't think I'm going to like this brush at all, but, I'll give it a go. But honestly, yeah, I'm not a fan. Okay, that's awesome. All right, so what is this called again? What the heck? It's half-caked or some, it's the brushes. Here we go, half-caked brushes. All right, the value for this little brush set, oh yeah, it is a blush, by the way, is $22. Yeah, that seems overpriced to me. I didn't tally this up for you guys, so I'm going to go ahead, pause, tally this up, let you know what my total was, and we'll jump into final thoughts. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but I was just, totally disorganized. What else is new? You know what? I'm going to do a quick recap because I think I gave you the wrong price on something. I think I told you it was $22 when it's actually $32. So let's do a quick recap. We got the Glam Glow Youth Mud for $60. Then we got the Half Caked Best Friends Forever in Bloom Duo Fiber Brush Set. That was $22. Then the Georgette Klinger Marula Primer. That was $32. I think I might have told you the wrong price on that. Really not sure. Then we got the Pinky Rose Cosmetics, the multi-use makeup sticks, which are really friggin' cool, for $20. And then we got the Give Them La La Beauty Mascara. The value of that is $20, making the total value for this box $154. Guys, this one is $25 a month. This was the Boxycharm base box. I will have a link in the description box below. And of course, I unboxed my Ipsy earlier. That one is $12 a month for the Ipsy Glam bag. And I will also have a link for that one in the description box below. That's all I got for you guys in this video. Hopefully it wasn't too boring or crazy, or I didn't say anything too off the wall. We'll see when I watch it back. But that's all I got for you guys this time, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Alright guys, in today's video, I have for you my Ipsy and Boxycharm for the month of September. It didn't work. I felt like I should, Ipsy, Boxycharm, September. I mean, it's just too much of this, huh? Let's try it again. Alright guys, in today's video, I have for you my September Ipsy and Boxycharm beauty boxes. I don't really know how else to say that. I normally don't like to combine different companies, but since they're owned by the same company, okay, I'm getting sidetracked. Didn't work. Okay, hopefully one more time. Let's try it again. So normally I don't like to do more than one company in the same video, but since Ipsy and Boxycharmed are Boxycharmed. It was good until you did that. Try it again. This is Amber's Arts DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Yep, Meeks. Try it again. Okay, guys. So, woo! Didn't work. Try it again. Okay, guys. So, woo! I don't think that worked again. Okay, guys. So, woo! I feel like that didn't land right. Try it again. Okay, guys. So, did that work? Try it again.